Hello, Musonobing. Let's learn with fun. Themreirin Varah Ajuitung Class 10 Mathematics Week Chapter Polynomials Part 2 Tamurumra. Hili cover sagi G topics pingna relationship between zeros of a polynomial and coefficients of the terms of a polynomial. Itumna part 1 bali zeros of a polynomial jiga khigla coefficients of a term of a polynomial jiga khigla gitamurumaira. Ara aniwi alongli relationship khilai khala gji tamurum sai. Remake up the linear polynomials we maramli tamra. Itumna linear polynomial akha khuyose. General salagaina ax plus b the kabibai. Hili a and b hi literal constants ne, or you can even say they are general variables. Kala a hina coefficient of x ne, b hina constant term ne. Yeah? Ara awi zero hi kita para juga simply equate this polynomial to zero. Zero li equate sao se. Laga x we value pashok se. Laga x will be equal to minus b by a. Hili itum na thai by a gja. Zero of this polynomial is equal to minus b jika constant term divided by a jika coefficient of x. Jena, zero of the linear polynomial can be written as minus of the constant term upon the coefficient of x. So zero ji to alpha represents how say thaga alpha will be equal to minus b by a. Okay? Quadratic polynomials leave a relationship chikata later yangos. Quadratic polynomial hi general salagaina ax square plus bx plus c the kabi by. Hili a hina x square with coefficient ne, b hina x with coefficient ne, kala c hina constant term ne. Itum na thai ja quadratic polynomial we wangwa chung mai thui the zero of the polynomial ji khani le pai. Jena itum na assume sao say zeros khani ji alpha aina beta ne da. Okay? Thaga ani jing rumaka kisam bangrakla jaka minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Hisam bangra. Coefficient of x hi b ne kala coefficient of x square hi a ne. So alpha plus beta jiga sum of the zeros, yeah, is equal to minus of coefficient of x which is b upon coefficient of x square which is a. Kala zeros khani ji multiply sa kha kjiba product of the zeros jiva ka alpha into beta jiva. Killing right jarakla jiga constant term jiga itum wang aru hi constant term is c ne upon coefficient of x square jiga a babam. So product of the zeros which is alpha into beta will be equal to constant term c upon coefficient of x square which is a. Our cubic polynomial wang a relationship jika le sarakla yang ause. Cubic polynomial hi itum general salagaina ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d the gabi by. A hina x cube with coefficient ne, b hina x square with coefficient ne, c hina x with coefficient ne kala d hina constant term ne. Yeah? Our cubic polynomial saugi da jungmai thui the zeros kathum lay by. Our zeros pingji alpha beta kala gamma ne jos. Thaga sum of the zeros jiga alpha plus beta plus gamma hiva kina mirakla jiga it will be equal to negative of coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube which is minus b by a. Kala sum of the products of zeros taking two zeros at a time. Kajuga klatpawa alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. Here we value hikina mirokla juga it will be equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube which is equal to c by a. Hina mirejine. Kala product of the zeros of the polynomial. Kajibawa alpha into beta into gamma hikina mirokla juga negative of the constant term d upon the coefficient of x cube, which is a. So alpha into beta into gamma equals to minus d by a in a cubic polynomial with relationship. Okay. Alright, concept being G shijin like a question solve sign also. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. Ara quadratic polynomial our zeros being G kim 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. Haga quadratic polynomial G pashoglo kizine. Remake up the quadratic polynomial G px nejos kala it is ax square plus bx plus c na represents hada kleni jose. Ichum na jiva sum of the zeros of the polynomial will be minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So hili coefficient of x g b ne kala coefficient of x square g a ne, so minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square equals to the sum of the zeros. So 0 being g alpha and beta e 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5 ne the question ni mi haidale ha itumna ani hing room kheng adam tharan plus root 5 and minus root 5 kedaura 3 plus 3 6 shoera. Similarly our product of the zeros sticky na mikla jiga constant term upon coefficient of x square. Constant term ji c ne kala coefficient of x square ji a ne, so c by a. So c by a equals to alpha into beta, which is 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. Our 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5 is a plus b into a minus b we formally lately. Kala a plus b into a minus b he a square minus b square ne. He identity he na thum paningung sir lera the shit sange. Jena he 3 square minus root 5 square that could be by. Or 3 square he 9 ne, root 5 square he 5 ne. So 9 minus 5 which gives you 4. Or minus b by a equals to 6 samaira kala c by a equals to 4 samaira. Or a we value he itumna 1 ne the assumes house. Thaga b we value kya khara, c we value kya khara. Hili a we value he 1 sa sani ja, b we value he va minus 6 radaya, so that we can get minus b by a equals to 6. So b we value ji minus 6 ra. Ara hili a we value he 1 sa sani ja, c we value ji 4 ra, so that c by a equals to 4. Jena c we value ji 4 ra. Thaga polynomial bx pa ji va kira a we value 1 augida 1x square kala b we value minus 6 augida plus minus 6x, c we value ji 4 augida plus 4. So x square minus 6x plus 4 hina no polynomial jine. Okay? Ara itumna hitaka maina a we value ji any value khuilaga 2 la khui yang laga b and c we value khot pai, even 1.5 khui yang laga b and c we value khot chok pai, or even 5 khui laga la b and c we value la khot chok pai. So a we value ji any real number khui yang laga b and c we value khot chok pai. Chanjam sada a we value ji k ne the khuyos, aga b we value va kya khara minus b by a equals to 6 ne the itum thera. Ara a we value ji k akha minus b will become 6 into k, or b will become minus 6k. Yeah, takamaina itumna c by a equals to 4 ne the thera. Ara a we value ji k akha, c will become 4k. Ara a we value k, b we value minus 6k, kala c we value 4k samangaira. G itumna itumui polynomial ax square plus bx plus c li replace saika, we will get kx square minus 6kx plus 4k the samangra. Ara hili k hi common sasar dale terms kudongali. Jena k hi common kushoko se, so px can be written as k into x square minus 6x plus 4. Hina itumna dargar ka sa general polynomial jine. Yeah. Jena question na itumli quadratic polynomial phalu jadam tharan itumna hena lang samai bai. Ka general polynomial pasa je ka hita the a we value any real number k ko la gai thumna general polynomial ji khira khala da phashok pai okay alright tum question kang da yang we say if 2 and minus 3 are zeros of the polynomial x squared plus a plus 1 x plus b, then find the values of a and b. Question hili tumli polynomial akhami delay x squared plus a plus 1 x plus b kala polynomial hi with zeros pingji 2 and minus 3 ne da me delay laga a and b we value hi phalo jine thakaya. Alright tum the is sum of zeros equals to minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x squared. Coefficient of x hi a plus 1 ne kala coefficient of x square hi 1 ne. So minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square is equal to sum of zeros, which is 2 plus minus 3. Ara simplify saka he minus a minus 1 onora kala he na 2 minus 3 onora. Further simplification saka minus a minus 1 equals to minus 1. Ara minus 1 in a minus 1 kedayaka minus a equals to 0 hitaira. That means a equals to 0. Okay, a we value 0 ne. Takamin ara product of zeros equals to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Hili constant term g b ne kala coefficient of x square g 1 ne. So constant term upon coefficient of x square is equal to product of zeros 2 into minus 3. So b by 1 jiwa b nang rajai kala 2 into minus 3 jika minus 6. So value of b is minus 6. Chenai tumli a and b we value phalo jogi da a equals to 0 and b equals to minus 6. Kara polynomial jiwa thaga kira just replace the value of a and b with 0 and minus 6. Let's see. So the polynomial p in x will be equal to x squared plus a we move 0 sangolo a plus 1 into x plus b we move minus 6 sangolo, and finally you will get px equals to x squared plus x minus 6. This is the desired polynomial. Itum na question kangda kayang we say if root 5 and minus root 5 are two zeros of the polynomial x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 15, then find its third zero. Alright, tumni miyai da clay polynomial hi cubic polynomial ne. Cubic polynomial sawi da hi chumai chui da zeros ko tumlai bai. Alright, tumli zeros kani miyai da lay root 5 and minus root 5. Kala ka chuma baji kira kala phalo gijine. Itum na yangai regija cubic polynomial wivangwa sum of its zeros equals to minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Here formula ba hi shijin lagai tumna pai lakaina third zero baji phasho pai. Ara let's say sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b by a. Hili b hi kido 3 ra kala a hi 1 ra. So hili b hi 3 ne a hi 1 ne. Kala alpha is root 5 and beta is minus root 5. So add them up. Root 5 and minus root 5 kedaura gamma will be equal to minus 3 by 1, which is equal to minus 3. So the third zero is minus 3. It's very simple. Okay. Algorithm division algorithm for polynomials itamurum say hi khili shijin rakla jika polynomial akhli polynomial akhna divide ka sadamli key steps mamai shijin rakla gitam gijne ya. Firstly, our statement hi khigla jika if px and gx are any two polynomials with gx not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials qx and rx such that px equals to gx into qx plus rx. Itum na Euclid's division lemma litam kai a equals to b into q plus r kajije nang rai jam ne ka hili itum numerical ba ma shijin la itum na polynomials pa shijin kai witune ya kala hili condition a kana ba khigla jiga rx hi 0 ra or 0 mani ka rx with degree hi gx with degree li tio mai phalong ra kajine ya hili kyogla jiga division algorithm for polynomials hoy. janjamsada question akali divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square the me salo thaga divide sagi jiba hina gx ne kala hiba hina px ne so px ji rearrange sagui laga ka biao se power x we power chungmai thui gi jiba jina re make up ta ka biao kala power ji teuta maron da ita da ka pitawra ya takamai nai thum gx chila tika divide sagi ji polynomial ba jila rearrange sa laga x we power decreasing order ai na ka pitawra okay kada the divide sarok la jika aga minus x square li khina multiply sa ka minus x cube shok pai x na multiply sa ka minus x cube shok tale x into minus x square minus x cube or x negative term big deal multiply sa formula so x into x which is plus x square and x into minus 1 which is minus x ara hili thum thaigi jiba wa x we power ngarai gi cha ji we line ji lik people bomra hili x square jangau gi da x square we line li plus x square ji gi bidara hili x leo gi da x we line li minus x ji gi bira ara itum na hi minus sak sho atam li minus x cube ena minus x cube minus sak 0 sho gora 3x square li x square minus sho ga 2x square daira minus 3x li minus x minus sho ga minus 2x daira ara plus 5 daira ya ara minus x square li khina multiply sa ka 2x square shok paira minus 2 na multiply sa ka shok pai minus into minus plus 2 into x square 2x square so 2x square ara minus 2 na khangdai terms pingjil la multiply sa minus 2 into plus x is minus 2x and minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 so plus 2 minus aga 2x square minus 2x square is 0 minus 2x minus 2x equals to 0 and 5 minus 2 equals to 3 so in the remainder ne hipa ina quotient ne kala hipa ina gx ne which is divisor ne kala hipa ina dividend which is px itu naili notice abai ja remainder rx pawi degree ji gx with degree li dio medle rx with degree is 0 ne gx with degree with 2 ne so itu mui division algorithm with condition ji satisfy sa de so hida the divide sagi gi ne okay aro itu question of solve science on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx aro divisor by gx power value wa mi mane ya quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4 so x minus 2 hi qx ne kala minus 2x plus 4 hina rx ne idom ki phalo jigla jiga gx phalo jine yeah so we know that px equals to gx into qx plus rx or dago hiba hi gx we form by na gx equals to something that bios ajini jigda ga bi baira minus plus rx hi lakshong khikaus daga hili gx plus qx daira ka lakshong px minus rx to onora ara px we value g x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 ne kala rx we value g minus 2x plus 4 ichumna hi bracket show hai laka hida simplify sabai ara like terms kja x na 2x plus sabai dele kala 2 na minus 4 hi sum sabai dele ka we get x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 now gx into qx to hyak shok tak lenia ara gx equals to something the sum bhangayo gi the qx chila lakshong hangau se aga divide ka saura qx na divide kak sa jika x minus 2 na divide kak sa ngai ja yang daga x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 li x minus 2 na divide ka saura so that we can get gx finally. Ara division algorithm decision laga itum divide saura x na kya le multiply sa ka x cube shok pai x square le multiply sa se we are getting exactly x cube. Our x square na term kang dai bing multiply sa so x square into minus 2x is minus 2x square. Our he minus sa ka x square na x square khidora kala minus 3x square minus 2x square is minus 1x square kala ka typing g plus 3x minus 2. Our x na kili multiply sa ka minus x square shok pai ra minus x li multiply sa ka shok pai minus x into x is minus x square. Now minus x na la minus 2 li multiply sa ra so plus 2x minus x square and a minus x square minus ang roka 0 3x minus 2x is 1x and minus 2 taira so our x minus 2 into plus 1 equals to x minus 2 and remainder is 0 so gx we value g x square minus x plus 1 hi shokra gajine ya so gx equals to x square minus x plus 1. This is our answer. Our question say if two zeros of px which is equal to this are 2 plus minus root 3 find the other zeros. Alright, to naili thai bai ja polynomial me da khlai with degree g 4 nei taka awli number of zeros ti chung mai thui da mati le re ara khani me da le kimai do akhana 2 plus root 3 ne akhana 2 minus root 3 ne ya ji daw gi da katai khang dei khani ji phalo ji ne okay so kata da phara chimita jawrung khai thum concept akha yangrum se chanjum sa da polynomial akha px lei jos awi 0 akha a nei jos se chu klat power x minus a hi px we factor rag jine chanjum sa da awi 0 khangte akha hi minus p nei da khoyo se thaka x minus p hi px we factor rag jilla or x plus p so x plus p hi px we factor rag jine okay chena any number akha hi polynomial akha wi 0 nei ja kha variable paji minus that given number by hi polynomial pawi factor rag jine okay chi thaugi da x minus 2 plus root 3 kala x minus 2 minus root 3 khani ni hi px we factors to tira our x minus 2 plus root 3 j bracket hi shoi lagai thumna x minus 2 minus root 3 daga bi by takamaina x minus 2 minus root 3 j bracket hi shoi laga x minus 2 plus root 3 daga bi by ara hila a minus b kala hi a plus b we form ina le ani ji factors khani ji multiply sause daga a minus b into a plus b daga a square minus b square daga b by so x minus 2 whole square minus root 3 square daga b by ara x minus 2 whole square ji expand sa ga x square minus 4x plus 4 shogra kala root 3 square wa 3 shokwa bumra so we get x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 is 1 so polynomial bx power factor khni ji multiply sa tam tharan hi sam bhangai ara hi pa hi na polynomial ba jili divide sani jiwa kat khangtai factors ping ji sam bhangrei gila chena divide sang also khi sam bhangni kla so x square li x square na multiply sa ga x to the power 4 show ke x square na khangtai remaining terms ping ji la multiply sa se so minus 4x cube plus x square ara subtract sa ga ani wa 0 onora he subtract sa ga we get minus 2x cube and here we get minus 26x square minus x square 더 그냥 선방 minus 27x squared 선방. Okay, plus 138x minus 35 minus 2x na x square li multiply sa ka minus 2x cube samang dale minus 2x na minus 4x li multiply sa ka plus 8x square samang minus 2x into plus 1 is minus 2x. Subtract sa say ani 0 onora minus 27 minus 8 chika minus 35x square and plus 140x minus 35 minus 35 na multiply sani ja minus 35x square shokra kala minus 35 into minus 4x gives you plus 140x minus 35 into 1 is minus 35, so remainder is 0. Okay, jena x square minus 2x minus 35 hina khangatai factors ne hi quadratic polynomial ne ya ara hi thum splitting middle term na factorize also 2x chi ka thata split sa laga multiply sa kha minus 35x square shogi je kala sum sa kha minus 2x shok pai rakla. 35 can be written as 7 times 5 to be by kala 7 minus 5 is 2 middle ya chithaugi da akha minus 7 quills akhna plus 5 quills minus 7 into 5 is minus 35 kala minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2, so here x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 to be by ara hi term khani khui say laga common khu choko say, so x is common x minus 7 daira term khani hilila common khu chokka 5 is common and x minus 7 daira ara x minus 7 hi common chu yogi da x minus 7 common khu chokai laga x plus 5 dai ya ara third factor by you to factorize salaga x minus 7 into x plus 5 the copy guy ne chu khlat power x minus 7 hila px factor kala x plus 5 hila px factor x minus 7 hi px factor ne ki chu khlat power x minus 7 hi 0 ni ja px chila 0 ong saw re jila ya x minus 7 equals to 0 the equate side laga x value phase, so you get 7. Similarly x plus 5 hila x plus 5 equals to 0 the equate side laga x value phase, which is minus 5, so x value 7 sang ni ja kala x value hi minus 5 sang ni ja px value ji 0 sam phang re jila jena 7 and minus 5 hila px 0 ne, so therefore the other two zeros are 7 and minus 5. Well guys, aju wangjina khangchang saira itum polynomials chapter ji jinang changai re na thumna na thumu exercises pingli questions sang da claiming ji solve saying lo try saying lo questions le queries le comments le bi milo ina ka shabai nang da clarify samik vai hot na re. So see you in my next video. Till then, keep learning with fun.